I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you too.
Hello, I'm going to show you how to make a rose using some toilet rolls. Today is Sant Jordi Day in Catalonia, which is the patron saint of Catalonia, and everyone gives flowers and books to celebrate. So we're going to take some toilet roll and cut it open to make it flat, like this. And we're going to do that for all of our toilet rolls. We have our flat pieces of toilet roll. Now we're going to draw a flower onto one of them. This flower should have 6 petals, like this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 petals. When you've drawn it, next cut it out. Now we have one, we can use this one to trace around and do some more. So I'm going to trace around it with my pencil, like this. You want to have 6 flowers all together, because we're going to have 6 pieces in our one flower. Once you've traced round all of your flowers and cut them out, then you're ready to separate the petals. So you'll take your flowers and you'll cut off some of the petals. I'll show you what it should look like in a moment. 1, 2, 3, and there we go. This is what we want our petals to look like. So our main piece has 6 petals, you can count them, 6. And the second one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And fold them over and bend the petals a little bit. For all of the pieces, like this. Now take your 5-petal flower and fold it over like this. tape and tape the back like this. If you like, you can colour in your flower. I'm going to colour this section in red. Here you can see that I've coloured each section of the flower a different colour. You can do your flower whatever colour you like. Now we take the part with 4 petals and fold it over again and tape the back. Check to see what it's going to look like. Maybe you'll need to squash some of the petals down a little bit. I decided I need to cut this. This will make folding it easier. Then you tape the back. Repeat this for each section. You might need to give a little snip to allow you to fold it round. And tape it at the back. Scrunch up the petals a little bit. Next, take some glue and squeeze it into the middle of your first flower. Then take the second one and glue it down. You need to press quite firmly, but it will stick. Then glue down each section of flower, one inside the other. final section, which is just one petal, roll it up. And then actually I decide that I need to roll this up a bit more and place my single petal inside. And there we go. We have a flower. And there's our rose. Let's look at it a bit closer. Yeah, it's pretty. This will make a really nice gift. Happy St. Jordi Day, everybody.